Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have a Jeep video with a feature that I didn't know I have. Yeah, it's pretty surprising. I recently found my window sticker for the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. And on the window sticker, in the cold weather package, it says it has an engine block heater. And this is a very rare option to have. First of all, as part of a package, and second of all, in this area of the country. The manual says to use below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and most people suggest, below like minus 15 Fahrenheit. It's usually a separate option that, dealers up north would add to Canadian orders or, like I said, really cold climates. And I gotta say, I didn't know I had it, so I never used it. But in Pittsburgh here, we can get into the negatives, and maybe once or twice a season that does happen. And now that I'm parking it outside, it's something I might have to use. Now this winter was super mild; we didn't hit that at all. But maybe for next winter, I can plug it in on those very cold winter nights. So let me show you guys where it's located on the vehicle, and you may not know you have it either. Alright, well obviously it's under the hood, so let's open that up. Alright, so open your hood latch up. Alright, and I of course have the V6 engine. The 4 cylinders should be located in the same spot, but locate your battery up here in the front right, and then look in between the rad and the battery, and you should see a cable. And here we go, it's just dangling right here. Never noticed it all these years, almost 5 years old now. There it is. That's the cable, and all you have to do is, it's kind of crusty and dirty, pull off the end. You can get an extension cord and route it to your nearest outlet. Now be aware, if the hood is open, there's a sensor here for the hood position. You will not be able to use remote start if the hood is open. So if you want to be sure you can still use remote start, you're going to have to route it under the vehicle, probably down through that frame rail there, and get an extension up there. But definitely can be done. So tell me guys in the comments below, did you know your Jeep had this feature, and do you use it? Tell me if it's worthwhile using it. Again, I've never used it before, but I hear it makes it a lot easier to start the vehicle, and of course it warms up quicker. You'll get heat, but I have remote start, so that's what I usually do in the mornings. About 10 minutes before I leave, hit that remote start button, so it's really convenient to have. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Jeep videos, and subscribe if you haven't. Give it a like, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where you'll find more news on Car Guy 11. Alright guys, hope to see you in the next one. Take care.